Well, everyone, thank you. I've had so much stuff. I wanted to get back out here. I wanted to get back into the YouTube, and I really have. We've had a little transition in the house, so you see the backdrop behind me. That's fine. That's fine. I'm not a material person. Things go beautiful as long as family is together, and there's a lot of love in this world. That's what really counts. And me and Jody is really starting to really get her groove on with her photography now. I'm really happy. She's been coming home with some stuff she really enjoys, and as all of us that have done this journey, we all know it's a process. It's just not overnight, bang, and then gremlins set in on your camera and things change around and boom. But I got a lot of content backlogged. I got some beautiful stuff today. You saw the Harrier in the snow. We've had so much, the perfect snow, I would call it. The light snow where I can get out and track and I can get out and do other things. And the openings, the Harrier and the Swans, and me and Jody sat by a nice frozen pond where we've been getting some otters lately. But I'm not going to include any of that footage in this video, but certainly it just shows you getting out in the elements. It just makes you feel alive. I'm alive. I'm back. We're back. And hopefully we'll get into showing some of Jody's work too eventually down in the next couple of episodes. So thank you. Thank you for coming back. I know it's been a while. I appreciate anybody that tunes in. I appreciate any likes. I appreciate anybody that subscribes. It really helps get nature out there to the people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Well, winter is such a wonderful time, and you see the. So we were out there in some nice conditions, and that always makes me happy too when you can stay out in a little bit of the weather. Awesome, and then I'm going to have a little bit more with the ducks, a little bit more. I'm going to pull some video of the archives from the last couple of weeks, and maybe I'll even dig into one of Jodi's folder since I hinted that she's been doing good, and slide one of her photos in at the end. So thanks again. I hope you're enjoying this because it's beautiful. So thank you for tuning in to this episode. The last two photos, beautiful black American black duck with the little silhouette shot Jodi pulled off. Very thrilled with that. Her artistic eye into the reflection over there. It's and certainly even following gulls and stuff like that. At the end there, that's a little tip my hat off to her. I really like the way she's progressing in that world, and she seems to really be enjoying it, which is I'm enjoying it even more. So the two of us together, fantastic. Peace.